Hi everyone, I'm Vasco, CEO of Dotfile. Dotfile is an all-in-one KYB platform for financial institutions, and we help compliance teams verify their business customers and comply with AML regulations. So today I'll show you how you can verify any business in less than 1 minute. KYB process usually involve identify the company we're dealing with, their industry, their ownership structure, run sanctions and PEP screening, collect documents, and verify the identity of key stakeholders, such as beneficial owners. So let's see how we can do that with Dotfile. So first, I'm going to head over to the template section, and here we'll just define a set of verification that we want to run for our customers. So let's call this template Simple KYB. And as part of this template, we'll say that we'll want to run an AML screening on the company, and we'll probably want to collect a few documents, such as the registration certificate and the articles of association. Then, for the individuals, we'll want to run the same AML screening for the beneficial owner, run an identity verification on each of them, and maybe get a proof of address document. For the legal rep, let's say that we just want to do an AML screening. And you're all set. That's the first verification template that you can create in Dotfile. Now, if I head over to the company tab, let's add a new company. Just select the country, enter the company name, and the data is automatically pre-filled with publicly available sources. So now we've identified 2 beneficial owners. And what's neat about Dotfile is that by selecting this template Simple KYB here, all the checks are going to be immediately applied on the company and on the beneficial owners of the business. So if I head over to this case summary view, I can see my company, Swan, here. I can see 2 beneficial owners that are both named Nicholas. And if I click the company, I can see a summary of key information about the company here. I can even purchase official document by just clicking here. We're linked to official data sources. And for instance, if I want the articles of association, they're right here. And then I can see that there are several alerts on this company. So some of them are just warnings, fitness and probability, PEP alerts, sanction, and adverse media, because Swan is quite a broad name, right? So just for the sake of the exercise, you can check each of them, see if the alert is relevant, and if it is, you can just say that's a true positive. Otherwise, you can flag that as a false positive. And you can even do that in batch for more consistency. So let's say all good. And then we can move on to approve maybe the AML check. Okay, here we can see that we're waiting for some documents of the company, and we'll see right after how we collect those. Heading over here to Nicholas, we see that the AML report was reported nothing for them. Now, if we want to get information from the company, such as collecting documents, we can just click here on this share portal link, share this link with the customer. They'll be able to upload their documents, such as a registration certificate, which I have here. And then whenever they upload the document, I can see in Dotfile, by just refreshing the app, that I have a new check that requires my attention here. So I can, just look at the document, evaluate whether it's correct or not, and then approve or reject it. I can even set an expiration date, for instance, in a year, if I want to do another verification. And the goal here is to get all these checks approved, and whenever there are, then the status of the case will move from open to approved. I can also assign this to a teammate, for instance, or I can assign a risk level if I want. If I want to run, more in-depth verification, I could select another template. That's also a possibility. So that's just a glimpse of what you can do with Dotfile, and I'm looking forward to show you more. Thanks you. So in this video, I just showed you how you can use our case management platform to easily verify a company. Now, you might want your user to self-onboard and to enter themselves information about their company in their business. And for this, you can use our open source front end that can be fully white labeled and tailored to your need. So head over to the part 2 of the video if you want to see a demo of that.